Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. In this video we are going to look at Pi latest update. Second migration is ongoing. You need to do this. The mainnet checklist is now yellow in color. That means that it's a signal that second migration is on the way. So you need to do this to back up your account and for you to be able to migrate your token to your wallet. So this is how you are going to do it. And if you're coming across this channel for the first time, please do well to like, share, and subscribe, and turn on the bell notification. You can as well join my Telegram channel for first-hand updates. Right now, I'm going to show you how to go about this. So you are going to click on this three line here at the top right, sorry, at the top left. Right now, you can see mainnet. Tap on mainnet. So you have to click on the mainnet checklist. The transferable balance I have is 9.998 Pi. Click on the confirm your Pi wallet. You have confirmed the wallet, but you need to finish the two-factor authenticator process to get migrated. You need to get authentication. You are going to put your email and they are going to send you OTP, whereby you click on it and you verify your account. So right now I'll click on start wallet using your passphrase to demonstrate you can access it. This can confirm that your mainnet balance will transfer to this wallet. Never enter your passphrase on any other arbitrary page. You know your passphrase, you are going to enter it here. They have sent email to my email. I'm going to my email and look at what they said. Click the link in the email to complete the wallet verification. So you have to go to your email, then you click on that link and automatically you will confirm your wallet. Now let's go to the email. This email has been sent because you confirm your migration wallet. So you need to click on verify your migration wallet. You need to tap on it and it's going to verify you. So right now you can see that it has shown, it is in green color. When I did it initially, once I click on the verification, that email verification, it will bring me back to Pi without showing that successful. So I just let it be. Coming back here for me to check if I can retry the process, only for me to find out that it has completed. It is now in green color. So if you do your own, if you do the process and it is after clicking on the email verification it did not work, just give it time. Later on it might complete on its own. The main thing is that if you got the email verification, definitely your wallet is going to be confirmed. So that is it for this video. If you find value in this video, please do well to like, subscribe to our Telegram channel for first-hand updates. Thank you guys and see you guys in our next video.